Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. Hope everyone had a really good weekend. We're going to get over to emails here, so if you guys messaged us, don't worry. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. I'm just going to finish this video and one more today. Okay, we are currently sitting at, guys, I just did some updates this morning for you guys in the Telegram channel. We're currently sitting at 66 for 66 wins on this channel. So congratulations, guys. I will show you exactly how to get into the Telegram channel, how to take all of our trades so you do not miss winning another trade that we have over here. We have not lost a trade on this channel ever that we've called out. So we're trying to go for 70 for 70, let me get that clear, 70 for 70 wins by the end of this month, but we did hit our goal of 65 for 65, which has been really cool. Okay, you guys want to know, why did I make this call? Let's go over the analysis, and then I'll tell you guys about the metrics and how to get in so you don't miss another trade. Let's dive in. So here's what we saw over the weekend. We saw a nice move up here, and the trend exhaustion did get to the higher sections. In the previous Ethereum video, I was telling you guys, watch to see if we head up here to the top red section, that's a place where you can look to take some profit because I'm expecting to move back down. Great, the indicators held perfectly true. When we got up into the top red section here, we saw a drop last time. We saw the drop previous to that. We saw this accumulation actually right here of the price moving up, and we saw a nice move back down. Time before that, we saw this up here, and we see this move back down. Okay, great. We're seeing this hold very true where this is calling the tops in the market, and then we're seeing drops back down. That is what I was looking for over the weekend. And I wanted you guys to just be prepared for this, for a move back down if it were to get back up to that top red section. Let me just draw one more here. I'm just trying to show you guys correlation of how well this is at calling tops and bottoms. Is it going to call every single top and bottom? No, it's not. But we need to watch this because look at this. Right when we drop down to the bottom red section here, we could not go any further. Guys, literally the price stopped for our indicator and the price moved back up. It's pretty ridiculous. Even down here, literally the price stopped right at this bottom area and then it had to move up right after that. It could not go down any further. And then it's like, no, that's not really true. Well, then we look over here. This literally is the bottom. It could not go any further and we started moving back up. Over here as well, we could not go any further and we had to start moving up. It is pretty ridiculous. These are about 75 to 80% accuracy indicators in here. And this is why I partner the trend exhaustion with the price versus the wall money flow. Because when you guys see the trend exhaustion as well as the wall money flow in here at top prices here, we start seeing moves back down in the market. The price is very high. The wall money flow is high as well as a positive correlation here. Do you guys see this right here and right here? And you're also watching right here for the move up, and you're watching down here for the move up. These are where we're seeing moves back down on the market. Great. So what do we see over the weekend? Well, we saw the trend exhaustion push up here a little bit, and that's where I was looking for a move down, and we got that. Now, right now, we are not at the top section, so why in the world would I call a 50% exit? There's a reason for this. I am seeing this obvious double top here formation on this 4-hour time frame. If you go down to a lower time frame, for example, let's say the 15-minute, the only reason I'm doing this is to show you guys the double top formation here, okay? You can clearly see we have a top and we have another top looking for this possible move back down. On the higher time frames, this is actually consolidated into one. We're seeing a 1-2 top, possibly looking for a drop back down. I do not use the indicators on any time frame except the 4-hour. Sometimes, very rare, I'll go to the daily to give us like a bird's eye view. But here's currently where we're sitting at. The entry was down here at 4,005. And then we took an exit here on, this is the 25th, which is today, up here at 3.79%. I have moved the stop loss for my current trade because I'm in this trade with you guys. I moved the stop loss to break even here. So if we come back down and get triggered, that's great. We'll end up getting taken out. And then you guys want to just enter back in because this is currently where the buy limit is. Now, I'll show you guys where the buy limits are and how to watch those, because here's something that could happen here. If Ethereum keeps heading up here, we break this resistance and just keep going, and then we break this guy and keep going. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move our stop loss up, so I'm just going to keep moving it up with this, and we're just going to keep making percentages as this thing moves up, if it moves up, okay? We could be seeing between an 8 and 10, maybe a 20% profit if this thing really, really takes off. But what we're going to do is we're going to secure profits, and if our stop loss is hit, great, we've had compound interest and we'll get back into the trade. Okay, that is how you take advantage of what some people call the eighth wonder of the world, which is compound interest. Very, very smart when you're trading. It's why people put their money into Roth IRAs and these 401ks. It's the compound interest effect that everyone's looking at. You don't get that if you're holding, guys. If you come down here and you buy and you just hold to this point, you're doing well. We've already won 32% on Bitcoin in this one move up here. Now we're winning more in here. So there is an argument to be made that spot trading could be more profitable than holding, because you're taking advantage of compound interest. Even on the same move up, you can trade the lows and the highs back and forth, which technically will give you a higher percentage in the end. Even if you guys are looking at long-term investments for tax advantages and stuff like that, there are many scenarios where if you hold, you are actually going to be in a loss many of the times. This is a great example. Everyone who FOMO'd in here held into a loss. We were actually winning trades all the way through here, and we've actually won about 18 trades in a row for the single move up here, and these guys are just now into the profit who bought back here if they were holding. So that's another example example. All right, make sure you guys are getting the price first of one money flow. You have 6 days left before I up the price of that. I'll show you guys that in a second here of where to get that, but it's underneath the indicators tab. Let's go over the metrics here, and then again, I'm going to end this video and show you guys how to take the rest of our trades so you don't miss another trade setup. Okay, guys? We're currently sitting in the neutral section here. So what does this mean for neutral section when you look at the emotional index? This simply means I am not taking any trades at the current moment. The best thing to do, let me just move this over here for my tabs. The best thing to do is to look to take the exit. Exactly what we did. It is not time to be FOMOing in here, guys. The time was to get in down here on discount, exactly where we got, calling the bottom price here, and then moving back up with us to make money. Guys, this is why a lot of people follow me on this channel here and all the calls that I'm making, is that I'm very patient. A lot of people were calling this move here. They're like, oh my gosh, we're going to hit $10,000, $8,000 on Ethereum. Bitcoin's going to 100,000. And I kept telling you guys, no, nothing ever just goes to the moon. Everything will have a pullback. Now, if it wants to go to the moon, you guys just got on a discounted price, and now we can ride it back up. The moon is, no one knows where the moon is in crypto, by the way. Long versus short trades. So looking at this, here's another reason why I end up calling an exit, and I was looking at this here, is short trades still are increasing on the blockchain for Bitfinex. What does this tell me? Well, long trades are just sitting flat here. They're not doing anything. Like once we start seeing this movement in here, like this is where I'm looking at to kind of give us a prediction. But guys, short trades are really the precursor on Bitfinex for Ethereum at the moment. And as we start seeing this move up here, guys, we could easily double top move down here to structure lows here. Very easily, I could see us coming back down here, maybe by the end of this week to about 3,800, okay? I want us to get some profit out of the market, take some profit, and then reinvest it for compound interest. Again, if this keeps going up, sweet. We're just going to keep riding this up as high as it wants to go with our stop loss, and I'll cover that in the Telegram channel. Okay, long versus short trade risk. We're sitting still within the good short trade section here. We haven't actually pushed into neutral yet. This is basically just saying, hey, you are so far overextended here on Ethereum. Ethereum could still see a move back down. So that is a bearish sign for us. Take a look at this. We are seeing Wells, institutions, and smart money. What are they doing? They've been shorting every single one of these highs. See this high right here? They've been shorting it. See this high right here? They've been shorting it. Metric bars have come out every single time we've seen a place in the market here to short. I covered this on the last Ethereum video, guys. These moves down in Ethereum are really good moves for the people in here who are shorting. I'll give this a little example to you guys. Most exchanges you guys are looking at are looking between about a 5 to 10x leverage you guys can do. 5x leverage, that's 25 to 50%. Come over here and look at this over here. If you guys are looking at drops down in the market, no one got in at the top, no one got out at the bottom. Maybe 5, that's 20% to 40%. If you guys come over here and look at this in here, I'm showing you what smart money is doing in here. They were selling and they were shorting. They were either selling or they were shorting. They were not buying in at the top sections up here. 5x leverage on here, you're looking at 25 to 50% if you're using 10x leverage on shorts, okay? This is why I'm constantly telling you guys, you should not be FOMOing into the market when the prices are high. If you want to stay on the right side of the market, just watch what the Wells, the institutions, and smart money are doing. As these guys short, because we do not short on this channel, when they look to short trades, what are we doing? We are simply just setting up our buy entries down here and we're getting snagged in. We're making money on the way back up. Okay, guys? This is so simple. Once you understand that we are trading with institutions and smart money now, this is why we aren't losing trades. Our risk management is incredible. And with the indicators, it's like a trifactor of why we haven't been losing. Okay, support resistance prices in here. Here's what I'm looking at. Resistance obviously is in the structure here. But if we start moving back down, I want us to look for this bear move back down of where are we going to stall out or at least see maybe a bounce back up. It's going to either be at the psychological level of $3,000 or $2,500. So let's just get very clear on here of where this is. $3,000 is showing us a structure down here. Now, this is where structure is looking like on the daily time frame. It's right around this area. But here's what I want to pull. If we start seeing a move back down with this Fibonacci retracement, here's where I'm expecting to see the move back down to. It's going to be taking the high to the low and looking for a 50% retracement. I think around this structure here is where we actually could start seeing a move back down if Ethereum really starts crashing back down here. That is going to put us right around this area of about $3,700. Okay, $3,700 is where I'm expecting to see a move back down if we crash and then a nice pump back up. At this place, I'm expecting to see this move back down to the bottom red section as well as the price versus the wall money flow heading to the bottom section. And then, like I say, we're going to springboard back up from there. I really do believe that's what we're going to see if we move down to this area. Okay, give me 2 more seconds here, or 30 seconds or so, and I'm going to go over and show you guys how to get into our next trades. Entries here, if you have $1,000, throwing $100 in at each entry, that's what you guys can do. We haven't seen this go off yet. I hope it hasn't because we're at these crazy high prices. If this starts heading down here further, we're probably going to see this come out and show us some great entries. For those of you guys who just want to throw cash into the market, don't manage it, just hold for 10 to 20 years. All right, exit points. If this heads up higher, guys, I have no doubts we're going to see another exit point out here. At the moment, I've used, obviously, the other metrics that I've used to call the exit here. But watch this. This is areas where if you're in a long trade, you just want to look to take some profit in here because we could be seeing the move back down. Okay, that's simple, guys. Like literally, follow the setups I'm doing over on Telegram, get the indicators, look at them, and that's what you guys are going to do to make these trades in here. Now, here's exactly how you guys can get over here and start making these trades with me and never miss another trade. Okay, look at the profits because these are ridiculous because that's just from our traders trading here. It's $49 a month. So you guys can come over here, sign up. Yes, I am looking to up the price of this. I say this in almost every video. I am looking to up the price of that. Get in here at $49 a month. I will grandfather you guys in at $49 a month. So if I up it to $70, $80, $100, whatever I up it to, you guys will stay at $49. You won't have to pay the upgraded price. Really good deal for all of you guys. I want to honor you guys in that, okay? You're going to get access to all of the metrics in here, but most importantly, you guys are going to get access to the actual entries. I'm going to show this to you guys. Trade any of these coins that you want in here. My top picks are still Ethereum, Dogecoin, Cardano, VET, okay? Solana's, I could see it moving down here a little bit further, although we're doing really good on that trade. Here's how you guys do this. Pick any of the coins. I'm going to cover all of them on this channel. I'm going to cover all of them in the Telegram channel, so nothing's going to be left out. Pick any of the coins you guys want to trade. We haven't lost a trade on any of these. What you're going to do is find your coin, your favorite coin. You are going to see right now, this morning, when this updates, you guys are going to see all the charts at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It's going to turn to 10/25/2021 because we are on the 25th. It's updated yesterday. You're going to take your trade allotment. Let's say it's $1,000. You're going to split it into 25% increments and place 25% at each of these buy limits. Okay? $1,000 divided by a fourth is simply $250 at each level. So $250, $250, $250, $250 at these prices here. These are all buy limits. Be patient for the price to get hit. And then what we're going to do is you guys are going to set up a sell limit up here at the first yellow line above your first buy entry. If you have questions, guys, the video is literally right here underneath every single one of these that you guys can watch that and email me if you have any questions. Once you do that, come down here, set up yourself into the Telegram channel. You guys need to be logged into Telegram first, but once you do that, you can come over here and you guys will automatically be added in the Telegram channel where I'm calling exits in here and I'm giving you guys market updates and I'm using the indicators to show you guys how to read those to call exits. What you guys want to do is you want to be picking up at minimum the price first of all on money flow. This is going up in 6 days. That's all you guys have left. The trend exhaustion in here is also going to be going up in price as well as the trend dashboard. But these are the three that I trade with and I want you guys to at least get these. Now the bundle pack, if you guys want to go crazy here and actually save yourself the most money, the bundle pack is literally 81% off for all the indicators. It's the craziest deal I have in here. So make sure you guys snag this. This will give you guys all the indicators plus 4 more indicators on the charts. I've coded indicators for a living 2 years ago for TradingView.com customers. I promise you guys these are some of the best. We have not lost a single trade using the indicators in here with the metrics and the risk management, and those three together are why we have not lost trades yet. I am absolutely convinced of that. So guys, come over here. God bless you so much. Have an amazing, amazing week. All you guys need is the indicators before they go up in price. That's over on the indicators tab as well as the description of this video. Make sure you guys get your membership over here so you guys can take all of our entries. Join me on the Telegram channel. That is all you do. Have fun watching the videos when I come out with them. And that is how you guys are making profit with this channel, guys. We're going to try to go 70 for 70 wins by the end of this month. We got 6 days left, so let's see if we can do it. God bless you guys again so much. If you have any questions, let me have them over at tradeconfident@gmail.com, and I'll get back to you guys as soon as I can. Indicators, metrics, guys, with your membership, set up your buy limits for the next trade entries because I do think we could be seeing moves down here. Get back into those, ride them up with us, and make some profit the rest of this month and for the rest of the year and the years to come with us. All right, guys, I'll see you later. Everything you need is in the description. Bye-bye.